Squiglet here! Whee! I'm flying! I just need a place to land. Oof! There we are. Can you think what flies around like that? A bird! Shall we squiggle our own bird? What sort of line could we use? Let's have a look. It's a straight line. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Now it's time to get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a bird's beak. We'll need some straight lines for that. I love straight lines. Squiggle one with me. Put your squiggle stick on your squiggle pad. Across, back across, and up. What's yours like? Across, back across, and up. Now we need a line in the middle. That's our bird's beak. We need a round line for his head. A round body with two wings. A straight line and a curve under. That's one wing. And another straight line with a curve. Two wings. Now we need two eyes. 1, 2. Some more straight lines for the legs. One line down with 3 little lines for his claws. Let's draw the other leg. What a lovely bird! Shall we meet him? Say the magic words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our squiggles come alive.
There's only one thing I like more than flying.
What's that?
Taking photos. Say cheese.
Cheese!
I'm Photo Phil, jungle photographer.
Pleased to meet you, Phil. I'm Squiglet.
I wish there were more things to take photos of round here.
We could squiggle you somewhere if you like. Somewhere in the jungle. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a jungle tree trunk. We need some more straight lines. Ready? Go up, up, up. And another one next to it. Up, up, up. With some curved lines up the middle. There! That's my tree trunk. We need some big jungle leaves. We'll do 2 curved lines. 1, 2. With a straight line up the middle. 2 curved lines. 1, 2. With a straight line up the middle. We'll need lots of leaves for our jungle trees. Keep on going. Why don't you colour your jungle trees in? I'm going to squiggle lots more trees to make a whole jungle. You can join in if you like.
There must be something to take a photo of around here.
Someone's coming.
Oh, wow! A lion and a crocodile. Hi, guys. Can I take your photo?
Oh, yes, please.
2 photos to take already, Phil.
OK, Lion. Say cheese.
Cheese.
OK, your turn. Say cheese. Fantastic. Thanks, guys.
Let's see how your photos turned out.
Yep, that's a good smiley one. Oh, no. The crocodile's not smiling.
Let's go and find the crocodile and get him to give you a big smile.
A river. That's where you'll find a crocodile.
I think he's over there.
OK. Say cheese.
Oh, you still didn't smile.
Oh, go on. Give me a smile for the camera. Just a little teeny one.
How can we get the crocodile to smile? I know. I'll tickle him. Can I borrow one of your feathers?
I don't think one of my feathers would be big enough to tickle a crocodile.
Why don't we squiggle a great big feather? Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Now it's time to get squiggling. We'll need another straight line. Ready? Up, 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 all the way to the top. We need some curved lines to make the sides of the feather. Let's start it a little way up. One this side. Now, do the same on the other side. Up and round all the way to the top. There! That's a feather shape. We just need lots of little straight lines to finish it off. One great big feather!
Ah! This ought to tickle a crocodile.
Don't worry, just a little tickle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh dear, maybe the feather doesn't work.
Let's test it out.
Oh yes, it's definitely tickling!
Maybe the crocodile just isn't ticklish. Oh, if he doesn't smile, I'll never get my perfect photo.
Don't worry, Phil. Let's see if we can get a clue from the squiggle pad. Can you spot a way to help the crocodile smile? This dog's having his teeth brushed. And so is this horse. They look lovely and clean. Here's Charlie. He's ready to clean his teeth too. Squeeze the toothpaste onto the brush and away we go. Brush, brush, brush. Did you spot what could help our crocodile smile? A good brush and their teeth were all shiny and white.
Yes, they were all smiling. I could take their photo, no problem. That's it. Maybe this crocodile doesn't want to smile because his teeth aren't clean.
It's true. I wish my teeth were clean, but they're not.
Can't you just get your teeth cleaned?
No! My teeth are so sharp and pointy, no one wants to get anywhere near them.
I can clean your teeth for you.
You? Would you really?
Of course. Birds clean crocodiles' teeth all the time. I just need a toothbrush.
Well, that's easy. We can squiggle one for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Start with the handle We're going to need some more straight lines for that. Ready? Across, across. All the way to the other side. Now another straight line above this one. Across, across. And just join them together at the end. Good. Now we just need some brushy bristles at one end. Lots of little straight lines. And one more straight line at the top. One toothbrush. I'm going to make mine red. What colour are you going to make yours? There we are. Our toothbrush is ready.
Oh, perfect. Thanks, everyone. Now, open wide.
Okay.
Oh, yes. These teeth need a good clean. Bit of brushing there, bit of brushing in there.
And don't forget, right at the back too.
Oh, nearly done. Ah, there. Perfect clean teeth.
Oh, thanks so much, Photo Phil.
No problem. Now give me your best smile. Say cheese.
Cheese! Wow, I'm really smiling. Photo Phil takes great pictures.
Look at those lovely white shiny teeth. Why don't we all smile and say cheese? Join in with our song. If someone takes a photo and says cheese,
Cheese!
smile a great big smile if you please. But first of all, to get that nice bright smile, just grab a brush and sing along a while. You've got to
Squeeze your toothpaste onto your brush. Jiggle those gums, nice and slow, don't rush. Round and round till your teeth are white. Top to the bottom every morning, every night.
Don't forget, for sparkly clean teeth, you need to jiggle those pinky gums twice a day. You've got to
Squeeze your toothpaste onto your brush. Jiggle those gums, nice and slow, don't rush. Round and round till your teeth are white. Top to the bottom every morning, every night. Top to the bottom every morning, every night.
Cleaning teeth is fun. Thanks for all your squiggles. It's time to go now, but come back to get squiggling soon. Keep on squiggling. Bye.